Our next guest speaker is equally inspiring. HoloBuilder is part of our construction ecosystem and uses Forge to link the digital and physical worlds, transforming experience and expectation by digitizing the job site with a construction progress management platform. Here to tell us how her company reimagined workflows to create an easier virtual and visual experience for builders is Myra Soto, Head of Product at HoloBuilder. Myra, thank you for joining us today.
Greg, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here today. As Greg said, my name is Myra Soto, Head of Product for HoloBuilder. Prior to HoloBuilder, I worked as a control project manager in construction projects such as mining and commercial projects. Since leaving the field, I've joined the technology world to tackle many of the challenges that I encounter out there. A journey that started at HoloBuilder more than 4 years ago. I'm excited to share a little bit about that and our partnership with Autodesk today. One of the biggest problems that I have experienced during my time as a control project manager is the problem of unorganized information and delays due to either missing data from the field or lack of context for the information being reported. I've received invoices that did not reflect what the field actually looked like, but there was no way to verify that without traveling across the country to visit the site. Even though many people in the field would snap pictures, the large data sets and missing context resulted in me spending hours searching for the right picture or going to the field to verify information. This tedious task drove me crazy as the deadlines kept piling up. This is the challenge that prompted us to start HoloBuilder, unstructured site documentation. So we went ahead and created a construction progress management solution for general contractors, engineering firms, and owners to document and communicate job site progress in 360 degrees, addressing many of the challenges that I face in the field. The industry calls us a street view for construction. What that really means is that sites that use HoloBuilder capture their progress with 360-degree cameras, which enables key stakeholders to gain remote site access and walk the site virtually from anywhere. It also allows the teams to have a solid progress record for the handover process. The value really comes from interacting with the captured data to improve existing workflows around project controls, such as remote site access to reduce travel time, payment and invoicing verification, having a solid as-built documentation, and better team collaboration. We're excited to have been able to help builders around the world with this workflow on more than 20,000 sites so far. Having seen all these projects and the complexity of the real world, we believe that no construction technology company can stand by itself. We all have to work together and have the data flow from one platform to the other to really provide workflow efficiency gains. We have partnered with the best tools provider available in the market to bring more value to the industry. For example, floor plan management tools like BIM 360 and PlanGrid. And that's where Forge comes in. Forge enables customers to bring floor plans into HoloBuilder smoothly and allows the sharing of information between HoloBuilder and BIM 360 to truly create a single source of truth. In order to do this connection, we use multiple services of Forge, including the Data Management API, BIM 360 API, and the Authentication API. Let's look at how it works. One of your team members is in the field, walking the job, capturing progress with a 360-degree camera and HoloBuilder's job walk-up. Your team will instantly get access to the data and is able to move progress forward no matter where they are. Your team can compare real-world 360-degree photos with BIM models by connecting Revit or Navisworks to HoloBuilder. You can even do measurements and generate markups that live within BIM 360. Forge allows you to do just that and keep the issues seen and always up to date. And that's the power of integrated workflows. The difference that makes for the teams in the field and the office are massive. Having remote access to the job site removes confusion and improves communication between stakeholders, which result in improvements on schedule compliance by catching errors early. We've come a long way in our partnership with Autodesk and Forge. But what the future holds is even more exciting. As discussed, the value of HoloBuilder really comes from using the data to improve existing workflows. So now, and in the future, HoloBuilder will always be working on optimizing user workflow to increase speed of capture and even faster analysis of the captured data. All this has to be carefully thought through so the data can be even more efficiently collected and later on serve many workflows and processes while ensuring data privacy and security. We are working on creating an automated way to collect the most data from the field with the SpotWalk, HoloBuilder's integration to the Spot robot from Boston Dynamics. But in addition, to gain insight from the data already collected by enabling AI and machine learning. The main goal is that the user does not need to process the large amount of data, but that technology tells the areas of focus so decisions can be made even faster. We are excited to be Autodesk and Forge partners and look forward to having our customers guide both of our teams to new and innovative ways to integrate our solutions even deeper and drive connected workflows for the industry forward.
Wow, Myra. I love your story, and it's so well told. This is a great example of a BIM 360 ecosystem partner who created an integration on top of the Forge platform to bridge those gaps and connect data, thus bringing information into a visually rich and real-time environment. And that's exactly how you fuel those discussions that are so badly needed, and how you drive data-informed decisions.